Hi, I'm Dwayne Myers with Dynamic Automotive. We've been in business 27 years, 5 locations, have grown to 5 locations. When we first started with Autoshop Solutions back in 2015, we were at 3.
Hi, I'm Lee Foreman with Dynamic Automotive. I'm one of the 2 founding fathers that started the business. Autoshop Solutions, after we met them, really made a critical turn for us in our web design, because we went from a hodgepodge web design to a professionally done web design made specifically for the automotive industry, and it's made us, helped us grow leaps and bounds.
Danny was given a class on website marketing, and it really opened our eyes. We realized that we were behind, and that started us on our journey to become more relevant and actually modernize. So now we actually really have a marketing plan. They've brought our marketing to the forefront to where now customers can find us much easier. They know what we do. They actually deliver our message in a way that's professional, and it drills down and gets to the specifics that people need to know that we can do for them. It's really changed and broadened our whole customer base, just because working with them has allowed us to get to them much easier.
People that I've dealt with over the years, always before be like, you kind of need to do something with your website. And now when I meet somebody and they say, oh, I went and checked out your website, it's really good.
I've been asked many times what I think of Autoshop Solutions. Do I have any regrets? Would I recommend them? I have one regret, and that's that we didn't go with them sooner. It would have pushed us a lot further along if we'd have done it sooner, but I'm very happy with the relationship. And it's a very close friendship. We work together very well, and I've seen both companies grow over time. But if you're thinking about it, and if you're not even thinking about it, just do it. You won't regret it, and you'll be happy with the outcome.